Hi guys, today I have something for you with a small size but very big impact. Here we have the TOODOO calibration weights with 1, 2, 5, 10 and 20 grams. This is the first time I bought something like that, and I just realized that it's super important to have something like that. Every household should have these weights, and I'm going to show you why. And so here's what we get. Comes like that, comes also with this anti-static tweezers, and here we have the weights. They are really nice, beautiful, solid build, stainless steel and anti-static, and they have these engraved numbers, so very easy to identify which one has what weight. And so I have brought this scale here for you to test it, but actually I'm not testing the weight, but I'm testing the scale. So what I have found now is that this scale is very inaccurate, especially when it comes to very low weights. You can see 3 grams and it's not doing anything. And now we are at actually 8 and it's showing 5. This could have a huge impact, especially when you have to measure small things like medication. I mean, of course, when you're cooking, it looks like the 20 grams is pretty close. Yeah, not always. You can see now it shows just 17. Here we should have 30 and it's still a little bit off. But of course 2 or 3 grams for 30 grams or 1 doesn't matter a lot. But when it comes to really small amounts, then it can matter a lot, and especially super small amounts, 3 grams, it doesn't show anything. So this is super helpful. The only thing I wished, actually, I had bought this already 50 years ago, and so I could always test how accurate the scales are which I'm using. So I think it's very important to have something like that at home. So if you don't have it already at home, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.